Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be bringing you my subscription boxes, both Boxycharm, GlossyBox, and Ipsy. So let's start off with the Ipsy bag. Cute bag for this one. This would have been more better for Valentine's Day. So hopefully they'll do something similar to this for Valentine's Day with this bag. So let's open it up and see what's in there. Here's the card. So it says happy friend giving. Thankful for 5 emojis. Alright. So what we got here is The Born Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. And this is a rollerball. Let me smell it. It smells so good. So good. Oh, this smells so lovely. I look forward to using this. So once again, that's The Born Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. So also included was the Helios Beauty eyeshadow. So let's open this. This thing looks like it's about to break my nails. It's so in there. Let's see here. Yeah, and it doesn't want to come out. I'm having a hard time pulling it out, so we're just going to tear the box. That's one way to get it out. So good, I'm not gifting this to someone. Alright, and mine is I Only Fly In First. It's the name of the shadow. So let's see, it's a purplish, like eggplant purple. And that's what it looks like. Nice, huh? That's a very pretty color. Alright, so then we got the Huda lip strobe. And this is, I'm trying to see the color here. Well, it's not on there. I don't see the color name just yet. Alright, the name of this color is Foxy. And let's wash this. So it matches the eyeshadow. That's very good. I'm gonna close it. Ha ha ha! Alright. So it also included this Makeup Forever I want to say face shadow, but there's no such thing. It's the oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm forgetting what it's called. It's for the face. So it's Makeup Forever Ultra HD Face Foundation. There we go. So also, and lastly, is the Bonnie Dew Maker Manzer, and this is highlighter. So let's see what color that matches. So everything basically goes together for this box. These are some very pretty colors. Okay, then time for Boxycharm. And here's the card for the Boxycharm. It says Gold Digger. There's things to come off in it. The Cover X glitter drops, which goes for $44 full size. The Ace Beauté Grandiose palette, which goes for $24.99 for a full size palette. The Luxie Luminous Eye set, which goes for $21 for 4. And the John Tay Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, which goes for $5 full size. And the Holic Lashes Instagram False Eyelashes, which goes for $14.99. So let's get started here. So right out the box, we start with the Holic lashes. These are very pretty. I look forward to using these. So here's all 4 eye shadow blenders, brushes. These are metallic. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. These are metallic, so they're very pretty. So here's the Cover XS glitter drops. What it looks like, and this is the full size. So let's check the color. Very pretty. Here's the eyeliner. And last but not least, we're hitting the Ace Beauté Grandiose palette. Let's get this open. So let's start here with the Primrose, this color. Look how vivid that is. The color is popping. So we're trying the rose right here. These colors are very pigment. Okay. So let's start with the GlossyBox here. And all these boxes are for the November subscription boxes. So this box came with a $100 wine voucher. I don't drink alcohol, so I'll gift that to someone else. And look how pretty the box is for this month. Isn't it just beautiful? Okay, this one says thank you for love. And this month's box includes, these are, I'm gonna have to say this is not my favorite box for this month. Some of this stuff could have stayed away. It's just not my favorite. Let's start here with the Steve Laurent lip gloss and eggplant, the Robin McGraw Revolution 3-side ream. Probably jacked up that name. Kenra All Control Spray, or the shaping spray. 5, Lauren B Beauty. Let's dive into it and see what it looks like. So right off we get 2 masks, which that is great. It's better than 1. So it's 3-in-1 sheet mask. So I'm gonna pop these in. I pop all my masks either for my eyes, for my face, or for my lips. I pop them into my refrigerator that I have in my bedroom. That way it's cool to my face and can even more so depuff any swell ups that I have in my face or around my eyes, and it is just so relaxing. So by the time it gets really warm, I know then it's time for me to take it off because all the coolness is gone out of it. Alright, so here's the Lauren B Beauty. This is the critical oil for the nails, and this is the Steve Laurent. So let's see what the color looks like in here. Alright, looks like it doesn't want to come out. Alright, so let's dive into it. So that's what the color looks like. It's a very beautiful red, like a deep purplish red. That's what it reminds me of. So we have here the dry oil controlling spray. And last but not least, we have the Georgia by Robin McGraw moisturizing hand cream, and this is a full size. So that's the one thing I like about GlossyBox and Boxycharm, is that either you're going to get a deluxe size from GlossyBox or a full size. Those are the 2 options. It's not no little penny ante small size thing that you can use once and then you're supposed to make an informed decision from it. No, that isn't how it works. And with Boxycharm, you get full size everything. So if you want to go back later and find it to buy, you can. But you've already gotten a full size one to use to know whether or not you actually want to do that. So I like that about them. So I look forward to using everything in this box. But like I said, for this month of November for GlossyBox, it just was not my favorite. Well, I want to thank you for watching, and you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening depending on when you're watching this, and God bless. Bye.